In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a text block on your Squarespace website. By the end of this guide, you'll master this simple yet powerful skill, which can enhance the interactivity and functionality of your site. So, let's get started. First, we'll begin by logging into your Squarespace dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all the websites you have associated with your account. Go ahead and select the website you want to work on. This will bring you to the main dashboard for that particular site. On the dashboard, you'll need to navigate to the section where you can make edits to your pages. To do this, simply click on the website title, then select the Pages option in the menu. This will show you a list of all the pages available on your site. Scroll through and find the page you want to edit. Once you've located it, click on it to enter the editing mode. Now, look towards the top left corner of your screen and hit the Edit button. This button allows you to make changes to the content on your page, giving you the flexibility to alter text, images, and other elements. Next up, identify the content block where you want to add your link. For this video, we're focusing specifically on a text block. Click on the text block, which will open it up so you can make the desired changes. Now, go ahead and highlight the particular text you'd like to turn into a hyperlink. When you highlight this text, something magical happens. A menu appears right above it, offering several options. From these options, look for the link icon. It's often represented by a chain link symbol. Click on this icon, which will open a small dialog box. You'll see a space to paste the destination URL, the place where you want visitors to go when they click your link. Enter your chosen URL here. Make sure it's the correct URL, as this ensures your visitors end up in the right spot when they engage with the link. Once you've pasted the URL, all that remains is to save your changes. To do this, move back to the top left corner of your screen and press the Save button. Saving your work is crucial, as it locks in the changes you've just made to your site. And there you have it. Your text is now a clickable link, empowering your audience to navigate seamlessly to the new destination. Congratulations on enhancing your website's interactivity. Thanks for following along, and be sure to explore other customization options in Squarespace to further refine your site's style and functionality.